All right, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. I wanted to bring something to your attention. My website, socialmediafarm.net, the best social media marketing panel out right now for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, that PIF, your website, just about any social media marketing promotion you need. Socialmediafarm.net, we now allow Apple Pay. So I want to show y'all how you can pay with Apple Pay. You can fund your account. On my website, you can fund your account with as little as $1 using Stripe, Square. We have Coinbase Commerce, and we have Apple Pay. So I want to show you how to do this. So first, all you gotta do is create an account or log in if you already have an account. So I'm about to log in. Now, once you logged in, you could go through all of the different categories which we offer social media marketing for, right? You can use these services for yourself, or you can also resell them. If you click in the top right hand corner, you'll see all of the services, all of your previous orders, and how to add funds. So I want to show y'all that you can add funds with Apple Pay. So to pay with Apple Pay, we just have to go to Stripe. You can enter in any amount. The minimum amount is $1. Then you press pay. And from here, you'll be brought to this screen where you will be able to see the new Apple Pay button at the top, or you can pay, using Stripe, any secure credit card. So that's my video. We now offer Apple Pay on socialmediafarm.net. This feature, I would put it on my main website, yonworld.org, but for some reason the coding within Wix won't allow me to. So I plan on releasing PayPal. Again, I know people was asking about PayPal. I just got my PayPal business account straightened out, so PayPal will be back. Stripe, we have Square Up, and Coinbase Commerce. So yeah, you can now pay using Apple Pay on socialmediafarm.net, the best social media marketing panel in 2021. If y'all need help, please leave a comment or feel free to send me an email at info@yonworld.org. Again, that's info@yonworld.org. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.